ultimate repair for all Android system issue. On app that claim it has all of the solution for all Android phone, from stuck in recovery mode, stuck in Fastboot mode, stuck in download mode,
freeze screen, Android battery drain, Samsung phone don't turn on, Samsung phone in black touch screen won't work, stuck on Samsung logo, Android recovery mode, Android virus, phone slow or break,
phone keeps restarting, Android headphone won't work. So this application claim it's have all of its solution. So guys, let's find out.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
What is going on guys, it's Roy and welcome to another brand new video. And today's video we talk with you about a software named ReiBoot for Android from a company named Tenorshare. So if you guys already own an Android phone, this video is for you. I have been using Android phone for last 10 years and my first Android phone was HTC Desire A8181. I love that phone, but Android OS at that time was so buggy. Now we are in 2020 and within these 10 years so many things have changed. Android OS become awesome and polished, mobile phone become so powerful like desktop PC, but still we face so many Android system related issue like stuck on logo screen, failed to boot, app crash, black screen and so on. So if you are facing any kind of software related problem on your phone, you can use this ReiBoot for Android software to fix it. It's so easy to use and you don't need to be an Android guru to use this software. To download the software you need to go to this link. I will leave this link in the description below, so click it and it will open on a browser and download it. It's a tiny exe file, take no time to download. After download, open the exe file, give it the permission, read and accept the agreement and install the software. It's so easy and anybody can do it. Installation takes some time as it is required to download some file, so installation time depends on your internet speed. Installation completed and this is the icon for this application. Double click it to open. Yes, first time open it will take a little bit longer. Also, this application automatically install the Android driver for your phone. So guys, here as you see the application is opened and here we have total 6 plus 2, total 8 options. On click to enter Fastboot mode, on click to exit Fastboot mode, on click to enter recovery mode, exit recovery mode, enter download mode, on click to exit download mode, repair Android system. So if your Android phone have any problem like stuck on logo screen, boot screen error, forced termination, black screen, etc., this option can fix it. And next is on click to clear system cache. Now let's connect Android phone with my PC, and as soon as connected you get a message allow USB debugging. You must enable software debugging on your phone and allow this option, else the software will not work. So I allow it. Okay. Now as you see guys, here showing the Xiaomi phone is connected. Please select a feature. Let's choose one click to enter Fastboot mode and see what happens. Now as you see guys, the mobile phone automatically shut down and automatically entered in Fastboot mode. And to exit Fastboot mode, click on one click to exit Fastboot mode and it will exit the Fastboot mode. Your device has exited Fastboot mode. Okay, now if you want to go to recovery mode, just click on one click to enter recovery mode, exit recovery mode, enter download mode, and so many options are there. It's self-explanatory and easy to use. And if you guys want to use this software, make sure you take a backup of your phone's data, so if something goes wrong later you can recover your data. Now let's try repair Android system. This option works only on Samsung phone, so let's click it and see what happened. Repair Android system to fix following issue: stuck on Samsung logo, boot screen, forced termination, black screen and other system issue to bring refreshing experience. So guys, if you have a Samsung phone, you can repair your phone software without any headache. Just click on repair now and it will take you another page where you can select brand, series, model number, country and carrier. Right now only Samsung brand phone are supported. Other brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, those kind of brands are not supported. Maybe in future update they can add the support for other brands phone. After selecting brand, select series, then select a model number, then select country, then select carrier. This is optional. Then go to next. Now it will start downloading the firmware for the phone that we chose before, and it's around 1 GB, little more than 1 GB, and so it takes some time depending on your internet speed. After completing download, click on repair now. Free version do not support this repair mode. You need to buy the pro version and it will cost you a couple of dollars. After getting your license, you need to register it. Registration successful. Now click on repair now. I recommend you guys please read the instruction before click on continue and make sure your phone has at least 50% charge. Continue. Now you need to power off the phone. Press and hold the volume down plus home and power button simultaneously until you see warning alert screen. Then press the volume up button and enter into download mode. And as you see guys, the phone already entered into download mode and it will download the firmware from the PC via USB cable into the phone and flash the phone. It will take a long time, probably 15 to 30 minutes. So I speed the video around 10x. And finally the flashing is completed and the Android boot up. This ReiBoot for Android software is not free. You need to pay a couple of dollars for licensing. And guys, if you want to flash your Samsung phone for free, you can download this Samsung Odin from odindownload.com. It's 100% free. Download the software and download the particular firmware for your phone, and you guys can flash your Samsung phone easily. All of the Samsung phone problem can be fixed using this software. There is so many problem on an Android phone that caused by malfunction of hardware. Couple of years ago I have a Samsung J2 phone and that has a problem. It always stuck on boot screen. It's showing only Samsung logo. So I flashed it couple of times, do so many things, but nothing worked. Then I realized that the phone has little bit auto damage, and because of this the digitizer, the touch IC, stopped working. This phone is stuck on a boot screen. So Android phone problem can be caused by a corrupted software or a malfunction hardware. Corrupted Android OS can be easily fixed using ReiBoot. It's so simple, anybody can use it. So guys, that's the review of ReiBoot for Android from Tenorshare. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like it, make sure to smack a big thumbs up on this video. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely answer every one of your question. That being said, my name is Abhijit. I'm signing out and I will meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.